Hello beautiful people, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. Today I'm going to show you how to duplicate objects at even distributions. So what you're going to do, first of all, if you need to duplicate a sticker to appear more than one time on this page, what you're going to do, first of all, you select it. Then after selecting, you go ahead and press Alt. When you press Alt, you're going to see that my arrow is changing. So before, when you don't press Alt, I've released the Alt button. You're seeing the arrow. You're seeing how the arrow is looking. So when I press arrow, you're going to see that we have another impacted arrow. So on my cursor. So what you're going to do, when you press Alt, you have to make sure that you press Alt, then you click and drag. So if you want this sticker to be in even direction, you have to go ahead and press what? Shift. When you press Shift, it's going to be aligned in the same direction as the first sticker. So after pressing those commands, you go ahead and press Ctrl+D. So when you press Ctrl+D, it's going to be duplicating. As you're seeing, it's going to be duplicating the sticker until it finishes the size of the page. So my sticker, it has on this A4 size page, it's going to appear how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So that means if I'm to print the sticker, I'll just take it to the printer. They print for me A4 size, and of which in A4 size I'm going to be able to get 6 stickers. How amazing is that? So it will depend on how you want to sell each sticker. And printing usually one sticker, it can cost like 600. So if you're having 600, if each sticker is taking 600 A4 size, that means if you're selling it, each sticker, the ones you're going to be selling out at 500, you're going to be making some profits. So guys, that's how you're able to duplicate objects in Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.